Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with Intel, which cut over 20% of the workforce amid strategic shift. Then about OpenAI to integrate Shopify with ChatGPT for smarter shopping. We also have a news about Asus, which launches new VivoBook S14 and S14 Flip models in India. Instagram has officially launched its new video editing app, Edits. Google DeepMind CEO talks about AGI and AI's imagination. Pixel production shifts to India as Google bets big on Make in India. And finally, we have about Vivo T4 launches with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 and massive battery. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what type of malware demands a ransom. The answer is ransomware. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Who is the founder of Claude AI? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news in a major restructuring move, Intel is set to lay off more than 20% of its workforce in the client computing and data center divisions, signaling one of the biggest internal overhauls in years. This comes as the chip giant struggles to compete in a landscape rapidly being reshaped by AI-driven computing, cloud services, and competition from rivals like AMD and Nvidia. Reports suggest that the job cuts are a part of Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger's broader strategy to reorient the company towards foundry services and chip manufacturing for the third-party clients. So while Intel has been the backbone of personal computing for decades now, recent financial reports reveal significant dips in the revenue, especially in the PC market. And as generative AI chips dominate the headlines, Intel's delay in introducing the cutting-edge AI-specific hardware may be costing it very dearly. Employees impacted by the layoff are reportedly from the Client Computing Group, which is CCG, and Data Center and AI Group, which is DCAI. On. Let me ask you to imagine browsing for products, comparing prices, and finalizing the orders, all within a conversation with ChatGPT. That's exactly what OpenAI is working on for now, as it partners with Shopify to roll out a seamless AI-integrated shopping experience inside ChatGPT. This integration allows users to ask for product suggestions, compare features, and even get tailored recommendations based on their purchase history or preference, all in real time. Using Shopify's e-commerce capabilities and ChatGPT's conversational engine, the collaboration aims to redefine how people shop online, making the experience faster, smarter, interactive. From a user standpoint, this means no more switching between browser tabs or getting lost in the long product list. Want a budget-friendly smartwatch? Just ask ChatGPT. Looking for sustainable fashion? It will give you the curated list. And with Shopify's massive seller network availability, it won't be an issue. This development is a part of growing trend of AI as a personal shopping assistant, with other platforms like Amazon also investing in similar features. Now let's know about Asus, which has introduced its new VivoBook S14, S14 Flip models in India. Powered by Intel's latest processors, these laptops are aimed at young professionals and students who need a blend of performance, portability, and style. The VivoBook S14 is designed for those who need a lightweight laptop for everyday tasks, offering up to Intel Core i7 processors paired with 8 GB of RAM. The S14 Flip, on the other hand, features a 360-degree hinge for those who want a more versatile device for both work and entertainment. These new models come with nano-edge displays, offering near-boundaries visuals and premium look. So with fast charging capabilities and long-lasting battery life, these laptops are tailored to meet the needs of the modern-day users. For those in the market for a stylish yet powerful device, the VivoBook S14 and S14 Flip, they're a great option to consider. With competitive pricing and solid specifications, they are positioned to give competition to the other mid-range laptops in India for sure. Moving on, we have Instagram, which has officially launched its new video editing app, Edits, now available on both iOS and Android platforms. Designed to empower creators, Edits offer a suite of advanced tools, including AI-powered features like image imagination, green screen capabilities, and subject cutouts. Users can capture high-quality videos up to 10 minutes in 1080p, adjust camera settings for resolution, frame rate, and dynamic range, and utilize keyframing for precise animations. The app also provides audio enhancements, customizable captions, and a variety of typeface, sound effects, filters, and stickers. Additionally, edits include a live insight dashboard offering metrics such as skip rates, engagement breakdowns between followers and non-followers. Videos created can be shared across Meta platforms or exported without it. Let us move on to Demis Hassabis, the visionary CEO of Google DeepMind. He has once again ignited conversation around the most coveted concept in artificial intelligence, AGI, or artificial general intelligence. So, in a recent talk, Hassabis emphasized that imagination might be the missing puzzle piece in building machines that think, reason like humans. Unlike today's AI systems that rely on massive data sets and predictive models, AGI requires an ability to understand abstract concepts, plan several steps ahead, and even imagine hypothetical scenarios. According to Hassabis, this human-like mental stimulation is about what DeepMind is aiming for with its future models. DeepMind, famous for AlphaGo and AlphaFold, has already pushed AI boundaries. But AGI? That's a different game altogether. Hassabis suggests that combining neuroscience, machine learning, even insights from philosophy, it may be the key to achieving the level of intelligence. Interestingly, DeepMind is also working on models that can dream or simulate various outcomes before making decisions. Kind of like how we can visualize things, consequences before taking any action. These advances may soon find their way into AI used for climate modeling, drug discovery, and robotics. Now, in a significant development, Google has started shifting production of its Pixel smartphones to India, marking a major milestone in country's journey towards becoming a global tech manufacturing hub. According to the reports, production has already started for some Pixel 8 units, with full-scale manufacturing expected to ramp up in the coming months. This move is a part of Google's efforts to diversify its supply chain amid geopolitical tensions and India's PLI, that is production-linked incentive schemes, which offer attractive incentives for electronic manufacturers. But beyond strategy and incentives, it is also a big vote of confidence in India's growing capability in the high-end electronics manufacturing. Local production means lower import duties and quicker market launches, making it easier for Google to compete with Apple and Samsung in India's fiercely competitive smartphone market. It may also lead to more aggressive pricing for the Pixel series, which has traditionally been considered expensive to the country. More importantly, it signals that India is no longer just a software powerhouse as we knew it earlier. It's becoming a serious contender in the hardware game too. Last but not the least, we have about Vivo, which has unveiled its latest offering, Vivo T4, which comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 and a massive battery designed for longer lasting, more efficient smartphone experience. Packed with features, Vivo T4 is set to become a top contender in the mid-range smartphone segment. With Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, Vivo promises enhanced performance for everything, from gaming to multitasking, ensuring smooth usage even with demanding applications. Phone also comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, which is expected to last for an entire day of a heavy use. A significant advantage for users who rely on the phone for work and entertainment. Vivo has also focused on the camera experience, offering users high-quality shots thanks to the improved AI-based camera system now. Phone is designed for those who value both performance and battery life, providing the best of both the worlds. For consumers, the T4 promises to be a great value of money option, especially for those looking for a reliable, high-performance design without breaking the bank. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow with another one. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all the tech updates. Thank you.